Uptown Swing.
Level 1A count. This is your life. Do you remember the very first week when we did the flip-flop, the yo-yo, the reverse yo-yo? They looked a little something like this. Okay. And then hop.
One more.
And then this.
Hey. Hey.
We did a stop and shake. It went like this. Drop it. We did promenades 5, 6, 7, and hey. With the leaders in front. We did a circle from closed.
Hey.
We did a swing out.
Hey. My favorite.
A swing out from open.
Oh no. A
No.
circle. This is a swing out from closed. And a swing out from open.
And then
What else did we do?
we did that double tuck
Double tuck
turn. Deep. Hey, ho, That's a lot of stuff.
Bum, bum, ba-da.
You deserve ice cream. See you later.